Hello guys, welcoming to my YouTube channel. In this video we will solve from question number 9th. I have already solved from question number 1 to 8 from exercise 1J in RS Agrawal book. So let's start our video. So suppose this 1 के power 3 plus 2 के power 3 plus 3 के power 3 equal to a. Then it become a की power 1 by 2. Find the value of a. It's become a equal to 1 cube, value of 1 cube equal to 1, value of 2 cube is 8, value of 3 cube is 27. When you add, it's become 36. Putting the value then it's become 36 की power 1 by 2. I say if its power exponent is given 1 by 2, it means find the square root. So when you find the square root of 36, it's become 6. Second question is that the 5 into bracket 8 के power 1 by 3 plus 27 के power 1 by 3 here power bracket whole के power 3 total whole की power 1 by 4. So how to solve this? First write bracket 5. First we solve a small bracket, that is we see. First you write 8 in the form of 2 by 3. Then it become 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. You know that the property of a की power m equal to whole की power n equal to a की power m into n. Plus write 27 in the form of 3 by 3 into 1 by 3. You know that the property of a की power m की power n equal to a की power m into n. Bracket close, whole की power 3 power 1 by 4. Suppose this 2 के power 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 के power 3 into 1 by 3 equal to a. Then it's become 5 aq के power 1 by 4. 5 aq की power 1 by 4. So first we find the value of a. So when you simplify, then this 3 cuts this 3 and it's become 2, and this 3 cuts this 3 and it's become 3 a. Then a equal to 5. Putting the value of a in equation, then it become 5 aq power 1 by 4 equal to 5 into 5 का cube के power 1 by 4. When you multiply, then it become 5 के power 3 by 3 plus 1 के power whole 1 by 4. You know that the property of when base is same, you use the property a के power m into a के power n equal to a के power m plus n. I had already do. Then it become 5 के power 4 into 1 के power 1 by 4, and this 4 cut this and it's become 5. Another question is that 2 के power 0 plus 7 के power 0 plus 5. Friends, this is very simplest question, because put the value 1 to value of a के power 0 is 1, then value of 2 के power 0 is also 1 1 1, because in this question base of all exponent is 0, so it's become directly answer 2. Another question is that 16 के power 1 by 2 whole की power 1 by 2. First find the value of for 16 के power 1 by 2. Then when you find a square root of 16 के power 1 by 2, then it came 4 and के power 1 by 2. And when you find the square root of 1 by 2, it came to. Why find square root? Because the exponent is given in the form of 1 by a की power 1 by 2. And question number 10 is in exercise 1G is proof that 8 के power minus 2 by 3 into 2 के power 1 by 2 into 25 के power minus 5 by 4 divide 32 के power minus 2 by 5 into 125 के पावर माइनस 5/6 equal to root 2. So first we change the base of 8 के पावर माइनस 2/3 into the base 2. So what can write in the place of 8? We can write 8 in the we can write 2 के पावर 3 in the place of 8. So write the power into minus 2/3 using identity a के पावर m के पावर n equal to a के पावर m into I am directly apply 2 के पावर 1/2. And what can you write in the place of 25 which is base of 25 के पावर minus 5/4 5 square into minus 5/4 using identity a के पावर m के पावर n equal to a के पावर m into n. Divide by 32 के पावर, what can you write in the place of 32? 2 के पावर 5 into minus 2 के पावर 2/5 into what can you write in the place of 125? 5 cube into minus 5/6 equal to root 2. No, first write LHS. LHS, when you solve these three cuts, these three, then it's become 2 के पावर minus 2 into 2 के पावर 1/2 and this 2 cut this 4 into 2 times, then it's become 5 के पावर minus 5/2 divide by this 5 cut this 5, then it's become 2 के पावर minus 2 and this 3 cut this 6 in 2 times, then it's become 5 के पावर minus 5/2 and if it's given in this a divided by b, you can also write by reciprocal. Suppose this here denominator of b is 1, you can change in multiplication by reciprocal of b a equal to, then it become a upon b. Suppose this equation is equation is a and this equation is b, then supposing 2 के पावर minus 2 into 2 के पावर 1/2 into 5 के पावर minus 5/2 equal to a and 2 के पावर minus 2 into 5 के पावर minus 5/2 is b. Then you can write in this form I had told already also. So write 2 के पावर minus 2 into 2 के पावर 1/2 into 5 के पावर minus 5/2 upon 2 के पावर minus 2 into 5 के पावर minus 5/2. So when you take 2 to the upside, then it's become 2 के पावर minus 2 and minus 2. In divide we subtract the power. So here negative is also already given, but you also apply negative symbol. Then 2 के पावर 1/2 into when you take minus 5 के पावर 5/2 to the upside, then it become positive 5 के पावर minus 5/2 to minus and minus 5/2, then it become 2 के पावर minus 2 minus into minus, you know that plus positive is came, and this 2 के पावर 1/2 into 5 के पावर minus 5/2 minus into minus, you know that plus 5/2. These two cut this 2, when you subtract 2 from 2, then it become 0. Here 2 के पावर 0 into 2 के पावर 1/2 into 5 के पावर, when you subtract minus 5/2 from 5/2, it's become 0. 5 के पावर 0, then value of 2 के पावर 0 is 1 into 2 के पावर 1/2 into 5 के पावर into 1, value of 5 के पावर 0 is 1. then it become 2 के power 1 by 2. Hence LHS is 2 के power 1 by 2, which is also written as in the form of root 2, and RHS is given root 2. Here LHS equal to RHS. Another question is that prove that 64 upon 125 के power minus 2 by 3 ये plus 1 upon 256 upon 625 के power 1 by 4 plus root 25 upon cube root of 64 equal to 65 upon 60. LHS, first write LHS. Given 64 upon 125 के power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 के पावर 625 के पावर 1 by 4 plus root 25 upon cube root of 64. So suppose 64 upon 125 के पावर minus 2 by 3 is A, and 256 upon 625 के पावर 1 by 4 is B, and root 25 upon cube root of 64 is C. Then LHS become A plus 1 upon B plus C. So first we find the value of A, then we put in the equation first. Suppose this is equation first. Finding value of A equal to 64. We suppose that 64 upon 125 के power minus 2 by 3. First we reciprocal of numerator and denominator because exponent is given in negative. So here 125 upon 64 power 2 by here 3. What can you write 125 in the form of 5 by cube you can write, and 64 you can write 4 के power cube equal to 2 by 3. Then 5 के power 3 into 2 by 3 upon 4 के power 3 into 2 by 3. Then this after this 3 cut, this 3 and this 3 cut, then it's become 5 के power 2 upon 4 के power 2. Then A equal to 25 upon 16, and value of B is we suppose that 256 upon 625 power 1 by 4. B equal to, what can you write 256 in place of? Then you can write 4 की power 4 upon, in place of 625 you can write 5 की power 4 whole की power 1 by 4. Then B equal to 4 के power 4 into 1 by 4 upon 5 के power 4 into 1 by 4. Then this 4 this cut this 4 and this 4 cut this. Then B equal to 4 upon 5, and value of C is, we suppose that square root of 25 upon cube root of 64. C equal to square root of 25, you know that 5, and cube root of 64 is, you know that 4. So we suppose that LHS is A plus 1 upon B plus C. Putting value in this equation, so value of A is 25 upon 16 plus value of B is 4 upon 5 plus value of C is 5 upon 4. After this 25 upon 16 plus This 5 goes to upside because here denominator is this. So this become 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. Taking LCM of 4 and 16, then after this 16 LCM is came when you take LCM of 4 and 16. So it's become 25 plus it's become 20 plus 20, then it's become 45 plus 65 upon 16. Hence LHS is 65 upon 16 and RHS is given 65 upon 16. LHS equal to RHS, we may verify. Here another question is that bracket 7 into 81 के power 1 by 4 plus 256 के power 1 by 4 whole के power 1 by 4 total whole के power 4 whole के power 4 equal to 16,807. First write LHS root 7. What can you write 81 in place of in the power in terms of where exponent is 4? You can write 3 के power 4 into 1 के power 4 1 upon 4 plus what can you write 256 in place of where exponent is power 4, because this 1 by 4 cut this 4, so you can write 4 के power 4 whole के power 1 by 4 total whole के power 1 by 4 whole के power 4 equal to 16,807. Sorry, this is curly bracket and power is given 1 by 4 and 7. This 4 cut this 4, then it's become only 3 plus and this 4 cut this 4 and it's become 4. Power is given 1 by 4. A whole की power 4 equal to 16,807. Write 7 and when you add 3 plus 4 it came 7, can write 1 by 4 and whole की power 4 equal to 16,807. Break this bracket. When you break no symbol is right, then multiply 7 के power 1 by 4 whole के power 4 equal to 16,807. फिर 7 you add this you using identity a के power m equal to a के power n equal to a के power m plus n, then it's become 7 के power 1 plus 7 के power 1 by 4 equal to 7 के power 1 plus 1 by 4, then it's become 7 के power 4 plus 1, it's become 7 के power 5 by 4. Write 7 के power 5 by 4 whole के power 4 using identity a के power m equal to a के power n equal to a के power mn, then it become 7 के power 5 by 4 into 4, then it's become 7 के power 5 equal to 16,807. Write 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 जा 49 into 7 into 7 into 7, 7 9 जा 63, 7 4 जा 28, 343 into 7 into 7, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28 to 30, 7 3 जा 21 to 23 into 7, 7 1 जा 7 0, 7 3 जा 21 sorry Friends, there was only digits is changed. I had write 2301, but it came 2401 into 7. Then answer left hand side is 16,807 and right hand side is also given 16,807. Then by this LHS equal to RHS. Thank you friends for watching my videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel.